Hey, hello everyone. This is Coach Chris from eschannels.com. And the purpose of this video is to show you how to set up the eschannels.com trading system. And it's very, very simple. Should take us less than 5 minutes. So let me just get started and walk you through this nice and easy. So what we want to do is you go to tradingview.com and have a chart open and go to where the name of the chart is. And right to the right of that, you'll see this little drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click on that and go down about half the page where it says Create New Layout. And just click on that once. And a pop-up will appear asking you for the name of what you want to call the new layout. And you can call this anything you want as long as you can remember what the name is. So I'm going to call this New ES Channels System. Okay? And then make sure this box here where it says Open a New Tab is clicked or is selected. And then click Save. And a new blank chart will be created for you. Okay? It just takes a second to load it up. This shouldn't be Heiken Ashi. I don't know why that's selected, but it's not that big of a deal. But we'll just go here to candlestick candles. Okay. And here is your new chart. This will just take a second. It should correct itself. Okay. There we are. Now, what we want to do is go up here to where it says indicators and click on that once. And sorry, my computer's a little slow while I'm recording this video, so it's taking a little longer than normal for this to load up. I apologize. Come on. There they are. And what you want to do is go down here on the left-hand side. As soon as this loads, I really apologize. I don't know why this is taking so slow. Go on the left-hand side all the way down here to where it says Invite Only. Okay? And what you're going to want to do, you probably won't have this many listed. I subscribe to a lot of different indicators, and that's why my list is longer. But the one you're looking for is the ES Channels Channel Trader Scalp version. And just go ahead and click on that once, and that should load onto your chart. I know I clicked it. Let's just see if there's just a lag or if I need to do it again. Oh, no, there it is. Okay, there it appeared. And then go ahead and X out of that. Now, it appears that TradingView also put the volume indicator on here, which I don't want. So just highlight the volume and hit the trash can. Okay, and there you have it. The indicator is now on your screen. Now, you can choose whatever background color you prefer. I use a light gray simply because I'm watching the screens most of the day, but you can choose whatever color you want to use. Now, so the basis of this system is that price likes to revert back to a normal average price, which is indicated by this blue line right here. As price fluctuates during the day and deviates from that blue line, we want to enter into a trade in the opposite direction of that line. Now, if the market is changing very rapidly, do not trade this system, okay? We want these lines to be nice and smooth like you see them here, almost horizontal, not like it is in this area here where it's at a sharp angle. That means price is changing too rapidly. But as long as things are nice and smooth, when price hits this green line here, we want to go short. We put our take profit at the blue line and our stop loss up at the red line. Okay? And what should happen, you can see here, what happens is as price hits that green line, it tends to come back. Now you can take profit at the purple or wait till it comes all the way back. As you get more familiar with the system, you will find how it best fits your trading style. I trade this on the MES, which is $5 a point. You can go to the full-size contract once you're familiar enough with it, but I recommend starting with the MES. And then if it goes below, like here, you can enter on this purple line if you choose. With a long, when you're below, you want to buy and go long, and then when it hits the blue line, you take profit. Okay? And then throughout the day, that simply fluctuates. This also can be used overnight if price is just kind of oscillating. It works beautifully. It just goes back and forth between those lines, and you take profit accordingly. So thanks so much for purchasing the system. I've got a lot of videos on my YouTube channel of this in action. I trade it every day. And if you have any specific questions, as always, please do not hesitate in calling me. I really appreciate having you as a customer. And you have a great day and best of luck trading. Thanks again. Bye now.